10 Best Food for Younger-Looking Skin. Nourishment is significant for well-being. An undesirable eating routine can harm your digestion, cause weight gain, and even harm organs, for example, your heart and liver. However, what you eat additionally influences another organ, your skin. As researchers become familiar with diet and the body, it's inexorably certain that what you eat can fundamentally influence the well-being and maturing of your skin. This article investigates 12 of the best nourishments for keeping your skin solid. Number 1. Greasy fish. Greasy fish, for example, salmon, mackerel, and herring, are incredible nourishment for sound skin. They're rich wellsprings of omega-3 unsaturated fats, which are significant for keeping up skin well-being. Omega-3 unsaturated fats are important to assist keep with cleaning thick, graceful, and saturated. Indeed, an omega-3 unsaturated fat insufficiency can cause dry skin. The omega-3 fats in fish decrease irritation, which can cause redness and skin breakout. They can even make your skin less delicate to the sun's hurtful UV beams. A few investigations show that fish oil enhancements may help battle provocative and immune system conditions influencing your skin, for example, psoriasis and lupus. Greasy fish is likewise a wellspring of nutrient E, one of the most significant cell reinforcements for your skin. Getting enough nutrient E is basic for shielding your skin against harm from free radicals and aggravation. This kind of fish is additionally a wellspring of top-notch protein, which is required for keeping up the quality and uprightness of your skin. Number 2. Avocados. Avocados are high in solid fats. These fats advantage numerous capacities in your body, including the well-being of your skin. Getting enough of these fats is basic to assist keep with cleaning adaptable and saturated. One examination including more than 700 ladies found that a high admission of all-out fat, explicitly the kinds of solid fats found in avocados, was related with increasingly flexible, springy skin. Primer proof additionally shows that avocados contain exacerbates that may help shield your skin from sun harm. UV harm to your skin can cause wrinkles and different indications of maturing. Avocados are additionally a decent wellspring of nutrient E, which is a significant cancer prevention agent that shields your skin from oxidative harm. Most Americans don't get enough nutrient E through their eating routine. Strangely, nutrient E is by all accounts increasingly viable when joined with vitamin C. Nutrient C is additionally fundamental for solid skin. Your skin needs it to make collagen, which is the primary auxiliary protein that keeps your skin solid and sound. Nutrient C lack is uncommon nowadays, however normal manifestations incorporate dry, harsh, and textured skin that will in general wound without any problem. Nutrient C is additionally a cancer prevention agent that shields your skin from oxidative harm brought about by the sun and the earth, which can prompt indications of maturing. A 100-gram serving, or around 1/2 an avocado, gives 14% of the daily value (DV) for nutrient E and 11% of the DV for vitamin C. Number 3. Walnuts. Pecans have numerous attributes that make them a fantastic nourishment for sound skin. They're a decent wellspring of basic unsaturated fats, which are fats that your body can't make itself. Truth be told, they're more extravagant than most different nuts in both omega-3 and omega-6 unsaturated fats. An eating routine excessively high in omega-6 fats may advance irritation, including fiery states of your skin like psoriasis. Then again, omega-3 fats decrease aggravation in your body, remembering for your skin. While omega-6 unsaturated fats are abundant in the Western eating regimen, wellsprings of omega-3 unsaturated fats are uncommon. Since pecans contain a decent proportion of these unsaturated fats, they may help battle the potential incendiary reaction to exorbitant omega-6. In addition, pecans contain different supplements that your skin needs to work appropriately and remain solid. 1 ounce 28 grams of pecans contains 8% of the DV for zinc. Zinc is basic for your skin to work appropriately as a hindrance. It's additionally fundamental for wound mending and fighting the 2 microbes and irritation. Pecans additionally give limited quantities of the cell reinforcements nutrient E and selenium, notwithstanding 4 to 5 grams of protein for every ounce 28 grams. Number 4. Sunflower seeds. As a rule, nuts and seeds are acceptable wellsprings of skin-boosting supplements. Sunflower seeds are an astounding model. 1 ounce 28 grams of sunflower seeds packs 49% of the DV for nutrient E, 41% of the DV for selenium, 14% of the DV for zinc, and 5.5 grams of protein. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene is a supplement found in plants. It works as provitamin A, which implies it tends to be changed over into nutrient in your body. Beta-carotene is found in oranges and vegetables, for example, carrots, spinach, and yams. Yams are an incredible source. 1/2 cup 100-gram serving of heated yam contains enough beta-carotene to give in excess of multiple times the DV of nutrient A. Carotenoids like beta-carotene help keep your skin sound by going about as a characteristic sunblock. When expended, this cancer prevention agent is consolidated into your skin and shields your skin cells from sun presentation. This may help forestall burn from the sun, cell demise, and dry, wrinkled skin. Curiously, high measures of beta-carotene may likewise include a warm, orange shading to your skin, adding to a general more beneficial appearance. Number 6. Red or yellow ringer peppers. Like yams, chime peppers are an amazing wellspring of beta-carotene, which your body changes over into nutrient A. 1 cup 149 grams of slashed red chime pepper contains what might be compared to 156% of the DV for nutrient A. They're likewise perhaps the best wellspring of nutrient C. This nutrient is essential for making the protein collagen, which keeps skin firm and solid. A solitary cup 149 grams of ringer pepper gives an amazing 211% of the DV for nutrient C. An enormous observational investigation including ladies connected eating a lot of nutrient C to a decreased danger of wrinkled and dry skin with age 19. Number 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is brimming with numerous nutrients and minerals significant for skin well-being, including zinc, nutrient N, and vitamin C. It likewise contains lutein, a carotenoid that works like beta-carotene. Lutein shields your skin from oxidative harm, which can make your skin become dry and wrinkled. Be that as it may, broccoli florets likewise pack a unique compound called sulforaphane, which flaunts some amazing potential advantages. It might even have hostile to disease impacts, remembering for certain kinds of skin malignant growth. Sulforaphane is in like manner an amazing defensive operator against sun harm. It works in 2 different ways, killing unsafe free radicals and turning on other defensive frameworks in your body. In research center tests, sulforaphane decreased the quantity of skin cells UV light killed by as much as 29%, with assurance enduring as long as 48 hours. Proof proposes sulforaphane may likewise help keep up collagen levels in your skin. Number 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are an incredible wellspring of nutrient C and contain the entirety of the significant carotenoids, including lycopene. Beta-carotene, lutein, and lycopene have been appeared to shield your skin against harm from the sun. They may likewise help forestall wrinkling. Since tomatoes are wealthy in carotenoids, they're a fantastic nourishment for keeping up solid skin. Consider matching carotenoid-rich nourishments like tomatoes with a wellspring of fat, for example, cheddar or olive oil. Fat expands your ingestion of carotenoids. Number 9. Soy. Soy contains isoflavones, a classification of plant aggravates that can either copy or square estrogen in your body. Isoflavones may profit a few pieces of your body, including your skin. One little investigation including moderately aged ladies found that eating soy isoflavones consistently for 8 to 12 weeks decreased fine wrinkles and improved skin flexibility. In postmenopausal ladies, soy may likewise improve skin dryness and increment collagen, which helps keep your skin smooth and solid. These isoflavones not just assistance to shield the cells inside your body from harm yet additionally your skin from UV radiation, which may diminish the danger of some skin malignant growths. Number 10. Red grapes. Red grapes are well known for containing resveratrol, an intensify that originates from the skin of red grapes. Resveratrol is credited with a wide scope of medical advantages, among them as diminishing the impacts of maturing. Test tube contemplates recommend it might likewise help moderate the creation of hurtful free radicals, which harm skin cells and cause indications of maturing. This advantageous compound is likewise found in red wine. Shockingly, there's very little proof that the measure of resveratrol you get from a glass of red wine is sufficient to influence your skin. What's more, since red wine is a mixed refreshment, there are negative impacts to savoring it abundance. It's not prescribed to begin drinking red wine in light of its potential medical advantages. Rather, you should build your admission of red grapes and berries.